Are you learning French but still struggling with the pronunciation? Today we are working on the sound wa. In a previous video, we learned how to pronounce the sound en. If you want to make sure you pronounce this sound right, then keep watching. Hi everyone, this is Magali from Daily French Lesson, and on this channel I teach you how to learn French on your own and to speak French with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell icon if you want to know when a new video is out. In this video, I will show you the sound wa in different words, in sentences, and at the end I'll give you a text to highlight the sound wa when you see it, and then we'll practice reading it. The sound wa can be spelled with the letters O-I. The way you pronounce this sound is the same way as the word what in English, this wa sound. I'm gonna give you some example with words. Bonsoir, choix, voir. Here is the sound wa in sentences. Elle boit du sirop. Vendredi, elle voit ses amis. Je mange un gâteau aux poires avec toi. Tu crois qu'elle a compris? L'oiseau boit de l'eau sur le toit. Pourquoi dois-tu faire ça? What is the sound that is the most complicated for you to pronounce in French? Tell me in the comments. Now it's your turn to find which word has the sound wa. Don't forget, it's spelled O-I. And then just after that, I'll show you the correction and then I'll read it with you. Avec les prévisions météo, on peut savoir quel temps il fera le soir, le lendemain ou dans la semaine. Quand la météo indique un soleil avec des nuages, il y aura peu de soleil et il y aura souvent du vent. Le temps sera gris. S'il y a des nuages avec de la pluie sur la carte, c'est qu'il va pleuvoir et qu'il y a des risques de tempête ou de grêle. Si de la pluie tombe alors qu'il y a du soleil, vous pourrez sans doute observer un arc-en-ciel. Quand il y a des nuages avec de la neige qui tombe, c'est qu'il va neiger et qu'il peut y avoir du brouillard, des risques de congélation, de la glace et que la température sera très basse. Ce soir, il fera très froid. Couvre-toi bien. If you need help with the sound en, I suggest you to watch this video. And if you need some help to know what the pronunciation is of different words, I suggest you to watch this video about reversal and how to use this translation website and app. I hope that the sound wa is a little bit clearer for you and you can keep practicing your pronunciation. Let me know what sound do you want me to cover for the next video and I'll see you soon. Salut!